Of this book, Power of Positive Thinking, the writer of the book, Norman Vincent Peale, is one of the most widely read optimistic books, which he shared the form of faith and optimism, which million people have taken this. So I will tell about this book. The chapter 1 is about the power of positive thinking. The first chapter is that they believe yourselves will determine your success. If you have believed yourselves, you can achieve your every goals. And the second is that how you create your own happiness. There are many people, they are unhappy without any reasons. They did not share their trouble, their sufferings, but they say that I'm unhappy without any reason. So when you wake up early in the morning, you have two choices. One is happy and unhappy. And so the choice is yours. What is you want to, happy or unhappy? So you should make your life happy. So this is the short review of this books. Thank you.